Okay, so today I will give an introductory lecture to what exactly is ClickUp and how does ClickUp work. So ClickUp is basically a CRM. It is used for like it can be used for your businesses, for your personal use, even if you're tracking your Instagram, Reels, if you're an influencer, anything you can use it for. But for me, I basically either use it for my company work. This is obviously my personal space, so I'm not going to show the company one, or either I use it for the my university. So you can obviously have few versions of this. So first of all, you basically have this unlimited version, which is obviously $7 a month, and this is per member. This is per member and everything. These things are basically business. This is the business plus, and this is the enterprise one. You can obviously convert this to an yearly thing as well. That's totally up to you. This is monthly and this is yearly. So it's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. You can obviously integrate a few things as well into this. You've got the Google Drive, GitHub, and everything that you most probably need. You can integrate your calendars. So this is the basic thing. How you can sign up to ClickUp. So signing up to ClickUp is not that tough. You just go on to this website and you go to signing up, and then you obviously you can sign up in on ClickUp. Okay. So for ClickUp, obviously you get a few things. You get a home page, the inbox, you get the chat. Chat is basically where you can chat with different people that you have added into your workspace. In my case, obviously, as this is a uh, private like space for me where I'm only using my stuff. So obviously I only have these things for me, which is I'm not even using that space right now. So there is nothing in there. But obviously then you have a list in this space, and then in the list you can obviously in the list you have this board. This board basically this is a Kanban board over here. Obviously, in the, right now we have three statuses. You can obviously update these statuses to as many as you like them. So what you can do, you can go over here, you can go to the list settings, and then you can go to task statuses, and then you can obviously use custom statuses, inherit from statuses. You can select any template. You can select the Kanban template. You can select the Scrum template. This is totally up to you, whatever you say. So, for example, I say, okay, I do not like this template. I want to go for the Scrum template. What this is going to do, this will update my template to Scrum. So this will obviously update this to a Scrum template, and if that was updated, so there you can see this is now a Scrum template for me, and I can check this Scrum template. I can change it afterwards as well. This then you obviously have the inbox. That's where your will be given that how much due date is left, and then obviously you have your get docs. In the docs you can create simple docs. You have clips, you have forms, whiteboards, you have dashboards, you have your goals, your timesheets, your teams. Clips on the free version you can record 5 a month. That's the only thing allowed to you. Then you have this home page. This home page obviously shows you, it's basically a dashboard for you, and you can obviously see what the dashboard is like. It shows what your work is coming up and everything. On the free version, usually you're only allowed to use a few automations, and I'm explaining the hierarchy right now. So in the spaces, you have the university space. This is a folder. In the inside the folder, in a space, you have a folder. In the folder, you have a list, and inside the list, you create your tasks, and they can be any tasks. For example, over here, I can mention YT video, and this is the first task that you can create. And in this task, this is the basic task that you have created. So you can add different things over here. I will explain this to you in one of the next videos. So this is somewhat a very basic introduction of what how ClickUp works and what ClickUp usually does. So I hope you understood, and I hope you like it.